The Little Traverse Bay watershed is not only beautiful, but it's important too.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves here, Morgan. First, let's discuss what a watershed actually is.
A watershed is the area of the land surface that drains to a particular water body.
Watersheds are all about the connections. Tributaries are the major role players in keeping watersheds linked.
Little Traverse Bay main tributaries include Bear River and Tannerary and 5 Mile Creeks.
Clearly, a watershed as a whole impacts many different things, such as soil, vegetation, climate, topography, geology, and human land use.
Unfortunately, it's not good when one part of the watershed is polluted.
Non-point source pollution comes from more diverse and diffuse sources that aren't as obvious. Things like soils that are eroded as a result of human activities that contain fertilizers. It reaches surface water primarily through runoff from rainfall or melting snow that picks up contaminants. It can also include subsurface drainage such as leachant from septic systems and airborne pollutants such as emissions from cars and power plants that produce acid rain.
Non-point source pollution comes from more diverse and diffuse sources that aren't as obvious, such as wind, rain, and car emissions. Although this seems like a lot of pollution, due to high levels of calcium and magnesium and carbonates, it helps buffer the water from acid rain, which is caused by fertilizers and pesticides. The Little Traverse Conservancy and the Tip of the Mitt Water Council have taken much attention to the Clean Water Act.
Testing is done regularly.
Now it's easy to see just how important our watersheds really are.